Kentucky, Madison County in central Kentucky until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for Garrett County in central Kentucky, northern Lincoln County in central Kentucky, southern Madison County in central radar. Until 5:30 the following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Richmond, Chambers, Lancaster, McCreary, Berea, Ocean City, Hackendale, Mass, Hadley, and Picnic. Expected turn around. Don't drive on encountering flooded roads. Most flood gas the current vehicles. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, flash floods, and sources, radar.
Oh, news station found!
Impacts are
Woo!
flash flooding of
I knew they were towing something on this. Knew it.
Areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Richmond, Chambers,
Let's
Lancaster,
go. 104.5 The Cat.
Hackendale, Mass, Hadley. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Expected hazards include life-threatening flash flooding, thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement.